wanted to ask you guys a question. That's why I got this on. At your post offices where you guys live, and it's not just like at my local post office, it's like the next town over too. I cannot pick up those padded rate priority mail, padded rate envelopes that most of us use because that's the that is the cheapest way to ship, like priority mail. Now it's $8. It was cheaper than that, but you can't get those at the post offices around here. They have their displays for their priority mailboxes and envelopes, and they don't have those. And I even went to the next town over, which is a larger town, and they don't have them. And I asked them why, and they're like, well, when we go to get our regular order, it's not on our list to order them. And I'm like, well, I can get on USPS and order them. So I have to order those all the time, which I have to go put in an order today for them and get packages of them sent to me, because, and they'll usually come the next day. The mail lady will bring them the next day. So I'm thinking, if you can bring them so quick, why don't you have them out on display in there? Because I'm serious, I'll usually order them online and they will be to me the next day or 2 days at the latest. So it's just weird. I was wondering, do you guys get yours in the post office? Because they say they don't have the option of ordering them at our post offices. I'm thinking, okay, why can I get online and order it? I also get all my, if you get stuff from me, you know, those sticky shipping labels that you see that I printed, I get those from UPS, not post office, but UPS.com for free. You can order those sheets of them to put in your printer for free. So never pay for labels. I gotta go to my dreaded stupid store. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to Dollar General and see if they have our allergy pills. And then she always has to add something to it. She wants bananas. And I can go to the grocery store. I would seriously rather make 2 different trips to 2 different stores than go on Walmart. I just do not want to deal with it. I really don't like our Dollar General, but it was a bust. They have the weirdest music playing in there. It's like techno or something. I don't know. I'm old. And some young punk that worked in there called me ma'am, and it made me mad. I don't know why. Everybody's called me ma'am since I was 13. It never really made me mad. I was just like, first of all, I thought he was coming toward me, and I thought, he's too young to work here. He couldn't work here. He had like baby doll face and naturally curly hair sticking out everywhere. I thought he was just walking around the store. I wanted to ask him, where's your mom at? And then he goes, hello, ma'am. I'm like, oh, you work here. I'm getting really, really old. Everybody looks really, really young. But that's the way it goes. So they did have allergy, but not the big enough box of it, the allergy pills. So I have to go to the dreaded Walmart anyway. And every time I go in Dollar General, it just makes me think, why I don't go in there? Because they don't just have boxes in your way. They have huge, like those, like when you work in a store, if you've ever worked in a Walmart or anything, those big pallet things that you stack boxes on, they have those, like, all in your way. And not making no attempt to unloading them. And some of them are unloaded and they're still just sitting there. Nobody just bothered to take them back in the back. So, I definitely don't see any other yard sale signs, and it's raining, so bummer. No thrift store today for us, but we didn't need to spend money anyway because we got that stuff to pay for at the house. And it needs to stop raining because this guy needs to do my roof, and like not next week, but the next week, and we need to have 2-3 days of no rain because the sealant on it has got to let's go to Walmart. Oh, joy. Joy, 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 and more joy. Like how Mom sends me to Walmart where she's not with me. Somebody's camping at Walmart. No, seriously, they are. Cool camper, though. It's called a micro light. Get off my butt. I hate when they ride your butt. I hate when somebody's so much on your tail that you can't see their license plates. Yeah, that's why we don't ride through the parking lot. Oh, I hate when people do that. I've got hit going through a parking lot like this when I was with my ex. His grandpa was in the hospital, and we were driving through a hospital parking lot, and somebody backed up into us. And get this, she didn't get a ticket because the cops said because you're in a parking lot. I know this has happened before, that people don't get tickets because you're on private property, you're in a parking lot, right? Okay, then why do they have stop signs in parking lot? Does that mean since it's a private, do we not have to follow the stop signs in parking lots then? Private property. We don't get a ticket if we don't, so do we have to? Oh, seriously, that's a stupid reasoning. And she didn't want to call her insurance or nothing. I'm like, yeah, we're calling our insurance. She said, well, I'm getting over to the other part. I'm like, lady, you just like did major damage to my vehicle. She backed into me and I tried to speed up. So because I was driving. I always drove everywhere with my ex because he was too lazy to drive. And it was gonna hit his side of the car. So I drove up so it missed him. Looking back. Oh, yeah. I'm never gonna say what I'm thinking. You can imagine. Alright, well, I'm going Wally World. It's packed. I gotta take my phone in because that's how I'm gonna pay. If you got the Walmart app, you can hook it up to a credit card or debit card, and then all you do is scan it at the register, and you have paid. Did you know that? Well, now you do. Alright, let you guys go. Bye.